Latest development that is happening where Hassan Ali has finally been detained, India's biggest tax evader. In fact, apart from that, he has another bank there are reports that he has bank accounts and money stashed away to the tune of $8 billion in overseas accounts, especially in Zurich and in Credit Suisse Bank, Dubai, in Dubai as well with ABN AMRO Bank. In fact, now the ED is trying to build a case to try and, in fact, Megha is back with us on the phone line. Yes, Megha, can you give us the latest information?
Well, the latest that we are hearing right now, Harishri, is that Hassan Ali Khan, in fact, has been taken by the Enforcement Directorate in their custody, in the sense that people who were standing at his house, they have seen his car follow both the ED vehicles. He has, in fact, in all probability been detained, if that's a technical word one could use right now. But it seems as if, Harishri, that in a while we should get a confirmation from the Enforcement Directorate that he indeed has been arrested. Now, if we, try and get back to what happened last week, Harishri, the developments in the Supreme Court, the background to the whole thing, to the whole investigation and the case.
Right, Megha, hold your thoughts. We have Mr. R.K. Kaur, Hassan Ali's lawyer, with us on the phone line. Mr. Kaur, what's your first reaction? We understand that the ED has finally successfully managed to detain your client.
No, he has not been detained till now. He has been taken to the investigating agency's office, and till now, there is no such issue.
What is your defense? What is your defense for your client?
See, there is no question of defending my clients. There is no such account lying in his account, and we have vocally said that there is no such amount lying in UBS. And UBS has also said that they are not having any relationship with Hassan Ali Khan. So there is no question of this offense being, investigated into and dragging